Have you ever felt like your WooCommerce store is cursed? You get traffic, people visit your product pages, but sales? Zero, or maybe one or two here and there. And the worst part, you don't even know why. Well, today I'm going to break down 5 critical WooCommerce mistakes I see almost every beginner and even advanced store owners making. These mistakes don't just slow you down, they actually push buyers away. I'll be showing you examples from a real WooCommerce store, and most importantly, I'll show you how to fix each one in less than 30 minutes. And stick with me until the end, because the bonus fix I'm going to share has doubled conversions for multiple clients. And it's so simple, you'll kick yourself for not doing it sooner. Alright, let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Hidden prices and confusing product info. Look at this store's product page. The product looks good. The image is clear, but where's the price? Oh wait, it's hidden halfway down the page. This is one of the biggest turnoffs for buyers. Imagine walking into a store, picking up a product, and not seeing a price tag. You'd feel awkward, maybe even cheated. Online, that same frustration makes people bounce instantly. The fix? Always keep your price visible and upfront, right under the product title, above the fold. Don't bury it below endless paragraphs. I've run A/B tests on this exact tweak. On one client site, simply moving the price up boosted conversions by 17% in 1 week. Same traffic, same products, but a better structure. Mistake number 2, zero trust signals now. Here's something even scarier. The store has no reviews, no testimonials, no security badges, nothing. Put yourself in the buyer's shoes. You're about to spend $50, $100, maybe even $500. You've never heard of this brand before. Would you trust them with your card details? Probably not. Trust is the currency of online business. Without it, people won't buy. The fix? Add social proof everywhere. Enable product reviews in WooCommerce. Use plugins like Judge, Me, or WooCommerce Product Reviews Pro to showcase verified buyer reviews. Display secure checkout badges. Add customer photos if possible. I've seen stores jump from ghost town to thriving just by building trust signals. It's that powerful. Mistake number 3, checkout friction. Let's go through this checkout. Oh wow, it's like filling out a government form. Full name, company name, fax number, fax, second address line, optional fields that aren't really optional. Here's the truth. Every extra field you add is like putting a roadblock in front of your customer. Most will just give up. The fix? Keep checkout as short and sweet as possible. Name, email, shipping, payment. That's it. If you want advanced details, hide them behind a More Info button. Here's a fun fact. Baymard Institute found that reducing checkout fields can cut cart abandonment by up to 35%. That's not a small win. That's massive money saved. Mistake number 4, mobile experience disaster. Now let's check the store on mobile. Yikes, tiny fonts, overlapping text, buttons that don't align, and the add to cart button buried under multiple tabs. Over 70% of e-commerce traffic today is mobile. If your site doesn't load fast, look clean, and make the buying button obvious, you're literally throwing money away. The fix? Use a responsive theme like Astra or Flotsam. Test your store on multiple phones. Add a sticky add to cart button that follows the user as they scroll. I've seen sticky buttons alone raise mobile conversions by 25%. Why? Because it removes hesitation. Buyers never lose sight of the purchase option. Mistake number 5. No urgency, no scarcity. Here's the silent killer. This store shows products, but nothing about stock levels. No limited time offers, no reason to buy today. Think about it. Without urgency, shoppers just say, I'll come back later. And you know what happens? They don't. The fix? Add urgency with countdown timers for flash sales. Only 3 left in stock alerts. 15 people are viewing this product right now. These aren't gimmicks. They work because of psychology. People act when they feel they might miss out. Bonus fix. The checkout tweak that doubles sales. Alright, here's the kicker. The store's checkout page is plain. No branding, no progress bar, nothing that makes the buyer feel comfortable. Here's what I've learned. If you add a simple progress bar at checkout, step 1 gives shipping, step 2 gives payment, step 3 gives done. People are much more likely to finish the process. Why? Because progress bars create a sense of completion. Our brains hate leaving things unfinished. In tests I ran for a client, the single tweak boosted conversions by 31%. That's insane for a 10-minute change. And there you have it, the 5 deadly WooCommerce mistakes killing sales, plus the bonus fix that can literally double your conversions. Now, let me ask you, which of these mistakes are you guilty of right now? Drop your store link in the comments, and I'll pick 2 for a live audit in my next video. If you got value from this, hit that like button, share this with another store owner who needs it, and subscribe because next week, I'll show you the AI tools that can literally run your WooCommerce store on autopilot. Remember, your store is one small fix away from its best sales month ever.